Okay, I don't know. I picked up this alternator at bin time for $4. Here's the back side. Here's the pulley. You got to get an adapter. Here's one of them. Here's the other one. This is the one that you use. This one is for the other one, Camry or something. So there's the regulator. You got to solder that on there. Don't butcher it up like I did. Just be gentle. It's soldered. You got to unsolder it. Now, if you want to go deeper, these terminals here, you have to put the heat on them and then blow them out. Use an air hose nozzle. All them you want to potato apart. I don't know why. Unless you put a new diode ring or something in there. You may as well buy another one. So anyway, I spilled some solder when I was soldering. I took it off now. There's the armature. I got to put it back in. There's a hole. You said hole, you put a wire, a stiff wire, or like an Allen wrench or something, and it will hold the brushes. It'll hold the brushes back while you slip it on. So there's the inside. I don't know if this is any different. There's two of these go on, two different kinds on a Camry, Toyota. I think these are for a Cadillac or something. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. Oh, by the way, when you go to take this pulley off, you know, it's threaded inside. So you have to put a shim. I used a long, narrow screwdriver. Don't wedge it in there like a gorilla. Just slip it in there, right in there. Slip it to the side of the armature. Give your impact something to do. And then knock the faceplate off and you'll be in there. You don't need to do all that to change this regulator. And then what you need to do, what you ought to do, is get the pigtail that fits this. Okay, one side is for your, oh, what the hell you call it? The magnet, the electromagnet, the exciter. All it is a piece of steel that you wrap wire around it and to make it a magnet. Because you have to have the magnet in order to induce the voltage to create the amperage for the alternator. So one of those is for the switch and the other one's for the light. And if you get that pigtail, you'll be all right. So, yeah, I'm making a mess. I don't know if it works yet or not.